Namaste kids. How are you all doing? Do you know why I addressed kids specifically? You will get to know the answer of this question soon. As this week at Humanity Wonders is all about confident public speaking, today I will be talking about one of the most important aspects of public speaking: target audience. Yes, you got it correct. I addressed kids because kids are the target audience of my today's video. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 important questions related to target audience. What is target audience? On what occasions you need to identify your target audience? Why you need to identify them? What category is your audience? And what kind of people are your audience? Before getting to know the answers, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. First question is, what is target audience? A target audience is a specific set of people who is your audience for your speech. It is like my target audience for this video is kids who want to become confident public speakers. If a video is solving a problem related to a child, then target audience is parents. On what occasions you need to identify your target audience? As I said earlier, you can identify your target audience when you have a speech, but to be specific, there are some other situations as well. Identifying your target audience can help you deliver and connect better with them. Class presentation in school, group activity, project for school, when you participate in a competition, introducing yourself, speech or exhibition, or some other situations where speaking in front of a group of people is required. Why getting to know your audience is important. You might think that identifying your target audience is a waste of time and cannot help you when you're stuck writing a speech. But this reason can solve your doubt and can convince you why getting to know your audience is important. Some of the reasons are, it can help you write your speech the way your audience wants to listen. For example, if it's a class presentation, then you need to present it formally because your teacher, who's your target audience, would like it to be presented formally. If it was a comedy show you were presenting in your school, then you need to present in a fun, melodious, comedic way because your target audience, who's kids and teachers, would like it that way. And if you present it seriously, then it would sound boring and you will not satisfy your audience. So knowing your target audience helps you deliver the speech in the way that attracts audience attention. What category is your target audience? Choosing the category of your target audience is very important. So what kind of people is your target audience for your speech? Here is a list you can choose from: kids, teachers, parents, professionals, senior citizens. What kind of people are your target audience? After learning the type of your target audience, it is also important to learn your kind of audience. So, what kind of people are your audience? People who face some kind of a issue and are looking for a solution, people who need to change their state of mind, people who want to move to the next level, people who need to know something. My specific target audience for this video are kids aged 8 to 14 years who are looking forward to learning about confident public speaking. So share your target audience in the comments. If you want a full guide to become a confident public speaker, then click the link in the description to grab our 10-page free kit with 5 fun steps to become a confident public speaker.